Alright, so Katie and I,
Hey, you scallywag.
we are going to go to Lowe's and buy some equipment to go ahead and start working on the house ourselves. We had an estimate done.
Dibs are knocking down the wall.
We had estimate. Look at that, Katie's calling dibs on knocking on the wall. We had an estimate done to do our. We have 1.5 bathrooms. One bathroom only has a toilet and a sink in it, and it does need some drywall work. The big bathroom needs drywall work, and we got an estimate $22,000, where we're getting an HVAC system put in, which includes the water, a 40-gallon water heater, a furnace, and a refrigerated air system. And that's costing us $18,000. So we're not going to spend $22,000. We're going to do what we can. But today we're going to go get the stuff to be able to rip up the rug.
He's the man in the bandana, the man with the charm. He's a dude with the glasses and a lady on his arm.
First purchase, we need to get 200 feet of cord, extension cord, because we got to draw power from the house we're in now. There's Katie dancing.
Hey.
And first purchase. So we already bought a bunch of stuff, and I forgot to record it, but I'll show you guys when we get to the house. Katie's recording too. But we're looking at kitchen cabinets right now. And we're getting a little, I'm getting a little ahead of myself. Right now, I just wanted to get stuff to get the rug, all the rugs removed from the house.
You're getting too excited.
And I'm getting excited because we're actually starting to work on it. We want to start working on it today. But it is what it is. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get to the house and show you us actually working and ripping up rug.
Renovation goodies.
Yes. Hold on.
What did you do?
So we had gotten 200-foot medium duty outdoor cord. It wasn't enough. We're gonna need like 5 or 6 because we got to go from here all the way to over there. So to power up the house. See, we got one of these. Got a level. Okay, masks, gloves. Never mind with that. That's for female products. And then we got this shop vac. Okay, so we started ripping up some carpet in the house, and I'll show you what we did. It's not much. It's just starting, but there was a dead cat in here, so we wanted to section off where the cat was, which was right around here. So we just started ripping up the carpet some just to see what was underneath, and we're gonna come and do more later. I'll set up the ring light so we could do a time lapse.